Hi, I'm Natalie with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and today I'm going to show you how to use our Quilter's favorite dispenser. It's a great dispenser. It comes with a roll of clear plastic wrap, so you can use it in your kitchen. But the other thing that's cool about it is it fits this So Light fusible adhesive. So I'm going to open this up real quick and show you how to set it up. I'm just going to cut through here to get the plastic off. Go ahead and pull that off. They come in these two beautiful colorways, the pink and the purple. I think they're both really fun, so whatever your preference is. This part lifts right out, so you'll see it comes with your first clear plastic wrap, and then inside is the little blade cutter, and it has a sticky tab on the bottom of it, so use a fingernail or peel the edge of that right there. And that is going to go right here. You can't see it very well, but there's a tiny little white box that you stick the blade onto. So peel that right off and stick that down right on there. Just kind of eyeball it. Give that a good solid press, and that's ready to go. So this one has the clear plastic wrap in it already. It pulls from the back to the front, so when you set yours up, that's how you'll do it. And then I want to show you how to put in the fusible adhesive, because I think this is going to be a game changer for our sewing rooms. Let me figure out how to get an edge on this plastic covering here. It's a little tighter than I realized. I'm going to just try to do that, get a little edge on it. These guys are in there pretty tight. There we go. Sometimes opening the package is the hardest part. All right, so this is going to go in this way, pulling from back to front. So here's a little tip. We'll go ahead and fold these corners down so that you have a nice point to stick straight up through the middle there, just like that. Whoops, a little hack for you. And then you can pull this forward and slice off as much or as little So Light fusible adhesive as you need. So that's it. It's that simple, and I think it's a great product, so enjoy.